Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM can help you create YouTube videos much faster by turning research, articles, PDFs, notebook and documents into organized scripts, summarize, talking points and even podcast style audio overview. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to make a YouTube video with NotebookLM in 2026 simple and effective. So first thing, choose your video topic. Start by selecting a clear topic, for example history, documentaries, technology reviews, study tutorials, finance explainers, AI tutorial, health education. So the more specific your topic, the better your results. So clear topics create stronger videos. Okay, you can also create a new notebook, open NotebookLM and create a notebook dedicated to the video, for example AI video research, history documentary, YouTube script projects. Keep each video project separate. Okay, organized notebooks improves workflow. You can also upload your research resources, add PDFs, articles, research papers, notes, website links, reports. So NotebookLM will build a knowledge base from these materials. Better research leads to better videos. Okay, you can also generate a video outline, ask NotebookLM create a video or a YouTube video outline. Organize this topic into sections. What should the introduction cover? What are the key talking points? So a strong outline makes scripts writing much easier. So every great video starts with structure. Okay, you can also create the video script, ask NotebookLM write a YouTube script, create an engaging introduction, generate a step-by-step explanation, writing conclusion. You can generate sections individually for better control. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.